Boki is a content operations platform that allows you to have a overall view on your content pipelines. If this is your first time here, my name is JI and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. As you can see, there are also some analytics that you can look at once you've actually published pieces of content like articles. So Boki primarily supports written content. So if I go into here, for example, and I say, let's say I paste in this article I wrote about Notebook LM, and then I write, let's say I call it Notebook LM's, let's say Notebook LM's real value. Call it that. Okay, great. So what I can do if I wanted to do so is I can analyze the content. So if I click analyze content here, I'm going to get an analysis. Of course, I can change, the formatting of the text here, in terms of like sizes, colors, all that kind of stuff, alignment as well. Cool. So yeah, that's a really sort of like easy way to start writing out content. Of course, you can use any other LLM to generate that content. And then of course, always make sure you evaluate the output. So cool. We can see here, it's already mentioned an inconsistency. So I haven't actually spoken about what Notebook LM is. I basically just introduced it. There may be some users or readers who are not familiar with that tool. It's one of my personal favorite tools to use. We've got an improvement here. Its new architecture expands content, memory, and goal alignment. The phrase positioning AI as a partner in reasoning rather than retrieval is somewhat abstract and may benefit from a more concrete example or explanation. And then we've got a recommendation here. And then some other inconsistencies and improvements as well. So yeah, really useful stuff. If you go to the dashboard, you can see, the pieces of content you've created, which ones you're...
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
Planning to publish. If you go to this component section, you can essentially create custom MDX components to reuse in your documents. You can create content plans for particular time phrases or campaigns. You can see your documents here. You can also include any content briefs and short links as well. So you can create that too in order to actually start tracking performance analytics. And then of course you've got distribution as well. So if you click on distribution, you can select a particular brief and you can assign it to people as well. So yeah, I think Boki is a really interesting web app, super useful platform for anyone who constantly has to generate text-based content. So yeah, definitely check it out if you think it would be valuable for you. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.